Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kajika's here. Today I want to actually thank all of you for all your support, everything you've done, and I'm also here with a product review.
Don't you ever say I just walked away, I will always want you. I can't let a lie running for my life, I will always want you.
If anybody know me, they would know that I'm literally allergic to everything, and especially dust. I don't know where they're coming from. I will clean up, and throughout cleaning up I will start sneezing and running nose and everything. So I've always tried to buy like humidifier so I could put it in the water, just just scented. So I decided to try this now because the other one, I don't know what was wrong with it, but like each time I put it on for like the day, it would make my stomach really heavy. Like I would have difficulty breathing at night and everything. So I had to return it because that thing was like $50. And I got this one and I decided I want to do the review for you guys so you guys can see. I will of course post the link in the description for you guys so you can see, and I will tell you how I feel about it. Then you can make your decision. So it's called Pure Daily Care Aromatherapy Bundle Ultrasonic Diffuser plus 10 essential oil. Like I showed you guys, I have my little essential oil box right here. So I got new babies for the collection. Let's just see what comes with this bad boy. Oh, it smells good. It smells good too. Like you can already tell, like the whole essential oil smell is killing me right now in a good way. Just telling me how to do it, of course. And if you guys enjoy like your room smelling good, like I'm already recommending it before even using it. Wow, it's actually way bigger than I expected. Wow, it's huge. Okay, so it just open up. It gives you the minimum of water you can put and maximum. Because I was actually thinking of like putting it right up there, remove one of these flowers there, but I have to charge it actually. Okay. Oh, that's the type of oil I have. So it comes with 10. There's the lemongrass oil, lavender oil, jasmine oil, cloves. I can never say that word. Eucalyptus. Oh, I said it right. The eucalyptus oil, tea tree, spearmint, orange, peppermint, and nutmeg oil. I don't know which one that is, but I guess we'll try it. So like when you put your phone, sometimes like when you put it sitting, the charger get damaged sometimes. So they were thinking, look at this, see, it just flushed. So I'm going to add some water. That's enough. Nutmeg, let's try this one out. It gives it like spice smell. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. I don't want my room to smell like cooking essentials. All right, then you just close it, and it is like way bigger than I expect. Like I'm going to put a picture like right here for you guys and tell me like if they even match, because it's way bigger than I was expecting. So we have different light. I don't know how really. Oh wow, okay, so I don't know if I'm doing this right, if that's what's really changing the light. I think that is. Each time I touch it, I love it. Like I can put it up to 1 hour to 8 hours, 6 hours, sorry, 1 to 6 hours. Look at this. You see this, guys? Like who doesn't like their room to smell good, to smell like essential oil? Who doesn't? Like seriously, like that's the best thing to not only meditate on, but like when you go into sleep, wake up with your room smell good. I don't really like the candles, because the candles sometimes, like I have some candles, like as you guys can see up there, but I don't really like them. But this one is better. And not only does it make your room smell good, it's like it keeps your room moist. So for me, that's a plus, because my room needs to stay moist for me to be okay. So hopefully guys, when I leave it during the night, it doesn't cause me to have any difficulty breathing. Overall, how small it is and how it smells, I would definitely recommend it. And if you guys would like me to give you an update, I'll probably give you an update on my Instagram to let you guys know. So follow me on Instagram. This is highly recommended for now. So I'll just give you guys a little tour of my little essential home room. Here's my essential home room. I can't really believe I have a section of essential homeroom in my house. But in my room, what I do is just slide it in. Some of them are like, you know, duplicated right now, but who cares? I can take up to 20. Like, how cute is that? You can tell how cute it is. So thank you guys for everything. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you think about, and if you have another one like that you use, let me know how it is in the comment below. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to see more of moi. Thank you.